Are you ready to transform your marketing strategy? Discover how Ahlstrom-Munksjö leveraged Livestorm to adapt to modern marketing challenges. Ahlstrom-Munksjö is a leader in sustainable fiber-based solutions. Employing over 7,800 people globally, they create essential products like coffee capsules and healthcare materials. Their commitment to sustainability and innovation defines their mission. Estelle Seibert, a seasoned marketing specialist, identified that traditional marketing methods were outdated. Trade shows and print newsletters no longer engaged their niche audience effectively. Estelle noted, "We didn't want our competitors to see too much technical information online." In 2017, Estelle recognized a shift in the marketing landscape. Digital platforms allowed targeted information to reach audiences easily. The challenge was to deliver valuable technical content effectively. Estelle redefined their strategy to focus on customer needs. They aimed to provide interactive content to address common concerns. Estelle introduced inbound marketing and curated webinars for deeper customer engagement. Following her mentor's advice, Estelle chose Livestorm for video engagement. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features won her over. She explained, Livestorm added tremendous value to the customer journey. They launched the Coffee Break Sessions, an educational webinar series. This initiative ran from June to December 2020, inviting customers to book private discussions. Estelle shared, customers could engage without competitor interference. In May 2021, Ahlstrom-Munksjö hosted DediCOATED 3.0, a groundbreaking virtual trade show. They partnered with Synthes 3D to simulate a real trade show experience. Attendees participated in seminars and discussions, sharing expertise and ideas freely. Livestorm's features enhanced their experience. Customizable emails, centralized quanda, and unlimited reminders streamlined their communication. Within just 1 year, Estelle engaged over 700 attendees worldwide. The chat and quanda features fostered interactive exchanges, which enriched the information shared. Estelle stated, digital events have a positive impact, and content sharing is a must now. The coffee break sessions engaged 400 qualified attendees from 28 countries, generating evergreen content for lead generation. DediCOATED 3.0 attracted 337 attendees across 35 nations, creating a sense of community despite the virtual setting. Looking ahead, Ahlstrom-Munksjö will launch another coffee break series. Estelle believes there's a strong audience for their technical topics. Webinars will continue to showcase their expertise effectively. Want to emulate Ahlstrom-Munksjö's success? Sign up for a free account on Livestorm today. Join the revolution in engaging webinars and meetings. Livestorm makes it easy to reach your niche audience and deliver targeted content effectively.